This conference will now be recorded.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is what I tried. I just took some random figures.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what made you try negative in your data?
Just to see, like, the graph, like how will the graph go, like below the axis. Yeah. Otherwise, in graphs, in like rest of the charts also, it's almost same, right? But sparkle, so it will be different if we check with the negative figures mostly. So
Okay. So you get a +5, Shreya.
thank you, ma'am.
So win-loss, you put a negative data so that you can see your see the spark lines up towards the up and down. So you can see my screen, class. Okay. Next you have is 1 second. Okay. Slicer timeline is done. Link. So link is nothing but a link between a document, that is the workbook, and another document that can be anything in your desktop, or a link between a document, that is your present document, and a website. So you might have seen data or some text or something saying for more information, click on the below link. Correct. That is nothing but hyperlink. Hyperlink is a link which has another connection. So when you Google, you have seen about Wikipedia. So Wikipedia is where in that you have few blue some words in blue. So when you click on that, you have more information on that particular word. So that is a link. So same way we can create a link between two documents, two workbooks, or a workbook and any other document, and one document and a website. Click on link. In the address, let's show you first the link, www.google.com, and OK. So you get a link in blue text, okay, a text which is in blue. So when you take your cursor there, you can see a hand symbol. Just click on that. Okay. 1 second, I had shared the application, so you were not able to see with the screen. So you see Google opened. Same way I'll put another, I'll show you again this one. Link, address bar, type. See, when you have clicked that once, it is showing in pink color. That means it is already opened. See, Google opened. Okay. Try it, everyone. put three links as such. Put your college website, one Google website, one Google, and another any other website. So put three different websites. Once done, put one. After that, we'll go with the next. Can you record? I've started recording, I believe. No? Yes, the recording started. Varalaxmi here, sir. Okay, we'll go to the next part. Next you have is people who are doing can do. The next is also relating to the same option. That is, we will link a document. Same, click on link. Here, I have one Excel file. I'll just open this and do OK. So I get a file. You get same hand symbol there. Click on that. It will ask you whether the security is there to open that particular file. You say yes. See, our yesterday's file opened. Yesterday's, this was, yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Link. You just have to search like recent files or browse pages or current folders. Okay. Or place in this document. Where is your, you just have to see place in this document means you have different sheets here. So you can refer for this sheet, you can connect another sheet. So you can link like that. So one is, okay, believe that is this. Just have to click. Yes. Okay. Another Excel file open. Same way you can also link different files you want. Recent files. What? Such programs you just open. Same 3 files you should open. So 3 link I must have. Beside that 3 this what is that? Files I must have. Take a picture and send me. 3 websites, 3 document. Done class, we'll go further. Put 1 if done.
Ma'am, you want
Okay,
us to send a
next.
picture to you?
I don't think, let me see in the end. Because there'll be so many messages in WhatsApp. So even after the class, people will put pictures. I tell you, only when I say you should put, then you'll be still doing the same thing to put picture. Immediately if you send, when I say no, I will also have a track. Who all has sent, who all has not. The whole day you keep sending pictures. Okay, next. You have a text. In text you have text box. Text box is where it is on the sheet, not in the sheet. It is also like a picture. It is on the sheet where maybe for some note or know about this or some important thing which is supposed to be highlighted. Those paragraphs you can write them in text box. Select text box, click and drag and leave. So that is your text box. Okay, as such, you can have a text box.
Ma'am, can you read to the recent part once again, please?
Text box, context box. So you get a text box, type can extend your text box if you require. Okay, this is what a text box is. Same way you get a format tab, you can change all the things required. Okay, next you have is the header and footer. Header is top of the page, footer is below the page. So when I put a header and footer, below there are views, correct? So if this is in a normal view which we are working, it will go to page layout view. Okay, so because in the page layout view the headers and footer are seen. Click on header and footers. So when I had a header here, you can see a page is divided to A, J, I, and from J another page. So when I take a printout, this is what I will be getting is what it is showing. You can do the changes. We will do the changes in the next tab, that is in the page layout tab, where you can change the sheet space, margin. Okay, so in that time you can increase your columns as well for one sheet when it is in printing mode. Now you can observe one thing. I put MS Excel in the first this particular page only, but see here also it has been seen. See, any sheet, any pages I'm taking, it is added. So headers and footers, if I add it in one sheet, it will be applied for the complete see, everywhere it will get applied automatically. Okay, that is what headers and footers are. I repeat, insert tab, text, headers and footers. That's all. Give a header, give a footer. See below, see the mouse, observe the mouse, it is in the page layout tab. You have to come here to normal view once you're done with headers and footers. Try that, class.
Ma'am, footer also the same thing happens.
Yes, correct. It is one sheet only, correct. The sheet is divided into pages for printing purpose. So wherever I give one header, everywhere it is the same. So headers and footers by default appears in all the sheets whether you want or not. Try them, take different sheets, see what happens. Next is word art. After you try with that, you can try word art. Word art is just a text on the sheet. You can type anything you want, like for heading if you want, or you want a particular word to be highlighted to be shown. So this is also on the screen. Okay, remember these are all on the screen, on the sheet, not inside a cell. Same way when you click on this format tab opens, you can give different formats for that. Do class, text box, headers, footers, word art. These three. Once done, put one so that we will continue. I think most of you are done. Who's still doing photo? Why is the strength less today? It's only 41, 40 then. Okay. So next, maybe you have done a complete sheet. Okay, you need to take the manager's signature to take it to the next step. So what you do is you ask your manager for the signature. We can give a space for the signature. Go to signature line, Microsoft Office signature line. It's for asking for a name. Next is designation. You want, you can give the email address or just omit to OK. Wherever your cursor is, you will get your signature line, but that is, it's like a picture only. You can move anywhere you want. So you get a picture signature line. I'm showing it again. Text box, signature line, Microsoft Office signature line, name, manager, email address, this is what your signature line is. Try class, everyone. Do it. Done, class. Next. See, in pictures, class, did we do with smart art and screenshots?
No, ma'am.
Both smart art and screenshot is not done?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So before next part of this, I'll do this. So in screenshot is what, how you take a screenshot for your phone. The same way here also we take a screenshot of the desktop screen. Remember class, the screenshot of a desktop screen. On the desktop, what software is open, or if it is open or it not open, that we will getting a screenshot of, or not what you are seeing. So click on screenshot, screen clipping. So this is the last file what is open for me. So you get a blank like this. You need to click and drag how much you want. Okay, see, leave it is there on your screen. I repeat. Go to screenshot. There's some available windows, like you can take a screenshot of them. Okay, as in my system, lot of windows are opened. This is how I'm getting. It is not that you will also get the same thing.
Ma'am, I don't have the screenshot option, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. You just see. Which version are you working in?
2007, ma'am.
7. Why didn't you update? Then you have so many other options which are not there. You don't have timeline then? Slicer timeline?
No, ma'am. I'm trying on it, ma'am.
Screen clipping. So now this is the screen which is open. So you get this plus mark like this. You can select what all you want, you don't want, and leave the screen. So see, here I get it like a picture. So it also acts like a picture. You can see the format tab is open. I can change, correction, remove background, everything I can do here. Is the screenshot clear, class? Next one you have is
Yes, ma'am.
Smart Arts. Smart Arts are nothing but your flow charts, that is your hierarchies, your pyramids and cycle. So those are the Smart Art. Click on Smart Art. You get all these into the picture. So we will do a hierarchy first. Click, select. Okay. So you get this. So I want another shape here for output. So what do is go to design tab. In that you have called add shapes. Click on add shape. Add shape after. Okay. Same way software. Application. Add shape after. I mean before application I wanted systems of. So before. So in application under that I have two types. If you just click here, which will be the next one, no, that opens. So I want below. I want beside that. So if I just click here, I will get it ready made. Yes, class? Same way, when you click here on the, you get a design tab where you can change their colors, get different. Move them right to left, left to right. You can move them down, move up in the process only. Okay. Reset graphic means how it was first, like that only you will get convert to shapes. This means this is done into particular different shapes. You can add them. So you get only format tab. Try everyone. Once you're done with hierarchy, I want you to try two more. One will be cycle and another will be of your choice. You can also put pictures. You want this. Okay. So you can insert pictures here. For a picture, you can give a text for it. Class. Okay. That's how you can do your smart arts. So I want you to put 3 smart arts and put a picture in the group. 3 smart arts. One will be the hierarchy, the same writing what I have put. One will be the cycle. Put life cycle or your process cycle or any of your subject cycle. You have put that. And then one more will be of your choice. Any other apart from hierarchy and cycle. Put 3, put a picture. I'm giving you only 5 minutes. Do it fast. Sri Lakshmi, Smart Art is there in 2007 version. Maybe you will have some different name, I'll just check. But Smart Art is there. See in different, see in insert tab, what you have. Sri Lakshmi, you can hear me. Go to insert tab, you have picture, clip art, correct? Beside clip art, you have shapes. Beside shapes, you have Smart Art. You don't have screenshot, but you have Smart Art. Yes, did you get it? Mogana Priya. Hierarchy, what did I tell you to do? The same thing what I did, correct?
I'll do it now.
Yeah. How to add more text? Cycle works. Same way. Add shapes before or after. That's all. Did you get it, Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, what did you do after that? I couldn't see.
Just select one
Yes.
circle, whatever you want. Click on add shapes, add after,
Okay.
or add
Thank you,
below
ma'am.
before.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Are you done, class? Okay, I will show you text. See, in pictures, what you did, you took a picture from your desktop and you added. In online picture, what you did, you took the pictures from online and you added here. In screenshot, what you did, whatever was there on the desktop screen, you took a screenshot and added here. In object, what we are going to do is we are going to create our pictures. Okay, I'm specifying you are going to create using different softwares. Go to object. But see, you have different all softwares here. Okay, as we don't have those softwares, what we will do is we'll do it in Paint. Object bitmap file. Okay, so Paint screen opens.
Excuse me, ma'am, I lost you because of my internet connection. Can you please redo?
Object is where you can create pictures on your own. That means you create pictures using different softwares. Go to text. Object. Bitmap image. Okay. You just go to star, just put a star, close, you get a star here. Class, please do this. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, do this.
Ma'am, what to do after bitmap image?
Class, you want me to show the object again, or were you able to?
Ma'am, show the object again, ma'am.
Choose the object again, ma'am.
Yeah. Go to text, object. So you get a bitmap file. Okay.
Ma'am, we don't have that option in our laptop.
Ma'am, we don't have that option. We have instead of that, we have something called as Microsoft Graph Chart, then PowerPoint presentation, then PowerPoint slide enabled presentation. All that we have.
You're working.
Yes, ma'am.
You're working 2019, is it? Yeah. In
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
scroll down. You might get 2000 bitmap image.
Ma'am, 2010 has bitmap image.
No, ma'am, we don't
Ma'am,
have
I'm
that
not
option.
finding that option, ma'am.
Okay. Then you
Instead of that,
can
we have something
connect
called
with.
as graph. We have something called as graph and
Yeah,
just a
in
random
that.
example.
Yeah, that will be a recommended one. You can just add them. That will also act like this. But in that, you may have Microsoft picture, something like Paint. Try. People who have can do this. Maybe I'll come back to you. 2019, no, I'll come back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have WordPad document, ma'am.
Yeah, WordPad. See if you can do. Just try this. Put a star. I'll put color in them. Okay, different. Okay, I will close. When I will close this, automatically here it has been seen, correct? Now I want to edit this. Double click. See, you can edit it. You get a color. And close. You can see that. Shh. Is that clear, class?
Ma'am, can you do it again, ma'am?
Yeah. Go to text, object, in that bitmap image. Okay. You get a paint file. Put one particular shape, or you can draw anything you want, and then put colors.
Sorry to interrupt,
And
ma'am, but there's
close
nothing called
this.
bitmap image in my Excel.
Which
Here,
version
ma'am.
are you working? Which version are you working? Which versions are you working?
I'm same here. It's not available in mine as well. I'm using 2016 version.
16. I am using 16.
Couldn't find it.
In the insert tab, the end part you will have. See, last part in the insert tab. Last part near the text you have there. and inside text you have object.
Ma'am, we have object, but inside object we do not have bitmap images, is what I'm trying to
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am. We got object, but then the bitmap option is not available under that.
Yes, ma'am. Same here.
Okay. Okay, then this particular topic I'll come back to you. I'll see why it is not there. Maybe some, it is not version. Okay, anyways, you can skip the topic for now. But you understood how to put that if you get it, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Sorry for the disturbance, class. And next topic is symbol. 1 second. Next. Can you see my screen? What is the screen you're? Okay, yeah. No, what you put is you go to insert tab, symbol. So you have equations. I'm making you clear, class. These equations are not for formulas. Okay, they are not for. They are on the screen. So they are just for the view. They are not for formulas in future. They're just for maybe if you want to add show that these are the functions, or you want to make a question paper, something like those kind, you can just add these equations, but not for this. Like for instance, not in the cell, this is on the cell. Just select one equation. So you get it like this.
Ma'am, how can we use this?
You cannot use this. This is only for view. Later in function, I mean these functions are only for view. They are not for this like a picture. You cannot use them. Okay. Go to the next one, that is symbol. Sorry. Yeah, symbol. These are the symbols which are not there in your keyboard. You can attach them. Symbol. Anyone you want, select, insert. See, it comes in the cell. Okay, try this class. Class, have I sent you a document of shortcut keys? List of shortcut keys?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Just remind me tomorrow by maybe before the class. Tomorrow no. I'll send you on Thursday. Okay. But remind me if I don't send by Thursday. Do it, class. Can anyone tell me what was the last notes you took? Class, be quick. Nobody's taken notes. Then I will give you whatever I've done today. Enough now. This all was done, I believe. Am I audible or no?
Yes, ma'am. It was done.
Ma'am, I think till
Yes, ma'am.
home tab we have taken notes. Home tab is completed then. This is done. Take a screenshot. You don't have to write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we completed in
Or take
home
a,
tab, ma'am.
then take this. I can just take a picture of this.
Ma'am, will we get the PPT at the end of our classes?
I'll let you know. Wait, class. Take this. Varsha, mute or else talk.